Hey guys, guess what? I just got back from work. It's around 10 o'clock in the evening, and I opened my front door to see a box. And on the box, it says, Think Geek. So now, we're gonna unbox this once I get inside. So yeah, balancing all this stuff in one hand while opening the door. Oh yeah. And there's a cockroach on me. Get off of me. Stupid things can fly. Grab my other bag here. My phone and wallet. Inside we go. And yeah. So yeah, I'm home alone this week. Except for the dog. All the lights. I'm not even gonna wait to get upstairs. I'm gonna set this down right there. Let's do this. And there's the dog saying, hey, let me out. Open it violently because that's the only way you can. And here is my sonic screwdriver. And it's the ultraviolet, and it's a pen, and it works. And it makes the noise and everything. Let's open it up even more. Set that right there. Probably shouldn't be doing this over my mom's Persian rug, but who cares? I'm going to find the person who invented this type of packaging, and I want to encase them in it. Oh yeah. Now, how do you open the thing? Now, where do you put the battery? Wonderful. Technical difficulties. I am currently wondering as to where the fuck you put the battery. Anyway, it extends and it makes a light noise, and as soon as I figure out how to do that, I will make a video about it. Yay, I've got my sonic screwdriver. Let's do this.